Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi and pair setting in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you guys which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired in your Samsung phone and guys you want to unpair it. So is how can you unpair? In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. So friends you can see your connection settings. So friends tap here. Guys click on your Wi-Fi setting. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired means connected and guys you want to unpair it. So how can you unpair? So friends right side icon guys you can see setting icon. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see this QR code and forget option. So you will have to click on this forget option to unpair. So guys your Mukesh Wi-Fi guys which Wi-Fi I have. So it will means unpair. Then guys if I want to use and guys if I will use this, if I use it the Wi-Fi network, so I will have to pair again, I will have to enter again password. Then guys I will pair this Wi-Fi network. So friends you want to unpair your Wi-Fi, so guys you can unpair like that. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.